Want to unlock the secret to becoming a millionaire? It all starts with understanding one powerful concept: the performance gap. This gap isn't just a buzzword. It's the difference between where you are now and the value you're capable of providing to the world. Closing this gap can truly transform your financial future. Most people struggle to reach their financial goals because they're inconsistent or unclear about their path. But you're not most people, right? Here's a game changer. Create a Venn diagram of your passions, skills, and market demand. This visual tool will help you zero in on what's truly fulfilling and profitable. Here's a pro tip. Choosing a career based purely on passion can actually backfire. Balance your passions with your skills and what people are willing to pay for. It's the key to long-term success and happiness. Now, let's talk about your value zone. This is where your passions and skills intersect to create a winning business model. It's not just about earning, it's about building a life you love. Once you've identified your value zone, pick a side hustle or career path that excites you and aligns with your expertise. The bonus? You'll actually enjoy the journey to financial success. If you're just starting out, consider a service-based business. It's flexible, cost-effective, and allows you to learn the ropes of entrepreneurship without breaking the bank. Now let's shift gears to investing. Here's a mindset shift. Investing isn't about quick wins. It's a long-term strategy. Think of it as planting seeds for your financial future. Tools like pre-made investment pies can inspire you to start, but creating your own custom portfolio is where the magic happens. Personalization is key to smart wealth management. If you're new to investing, index funds like the S&P 500 are a beginner's best friend. They're simple, effective, and give you broad market exposure with minimal effort. You might have heard the myth that you need multiple income streams to succeed. Let me tell you, fewer, high-impact ventures will get you further, faster. Time, money, and energy are finite resources. Spend them wisely. Prioritize one goal and give it your all. Beware of shiny object syndrome, the trap of constantly switching side hustles and starting over. Instead, focus, commit, and watch your efforts compound into success. Success isn't about avoiding obstacles. It's about pushing through them. Excuses only hold you back. Obstacles? They're opportunities in disguise. Shift your mindset. Treat challenges as stepping stones, not roadblocks. The compound effect of consistently overcoming these hurdles is unstoppable. Practical experiences like side hustles and apprenticeships teach you skills you won't find in books. Real-world challenges equal real-world growth. Here's a truth bomb. Knowledge compounds. Every little thing you learn builds a stronger foundation for future success. Want to avoid setbacks? Commit to lifelong learning. It's not just about consuming information, it's about applying it. Dreams require sacrifice. If you're not willing to let go of what's holding you back, those dreams may stay out of reach. But if you're ready to make the leap, the sky's the limit. If you're ready to close your performance gap, find your value zone, and take charge of your financial destiny, let's dive in and make it happen. Your millionaire journey starts now.